Paper trading in Tradingview allows users to simulate trading without risking real money. To do paper trading in Tradingview, follow these steps. Sign in or create an account. Log into your Tradingview account or create a new one if you don't have an account. Access the trading panel. Once logged in, navigate to the trading panel located at the bottom of the Tradingview platform. Select a trading instrument. Choose the financial instrument you want to paper trade with. You can do this by entering the symbol in the search bar within the trading panel. Open the trading panel. Click on the Trading tab within the Trading panel to open the trading interface. Switch to Paper Trading mode. Within the trading interface, locate the Mode drop-down menu and select Paper Trading or Simulated Trading. Place simulated trades. Use the trading interface to place simulated buy and sell orders for the selected instrument. Monitor the performance of your simulated trades over time. Analyze results. Analyze the results of your paper trades to evaluate your trading strategy and decision-making process.